What the hell? Whoa, what is this? Is it a pike minnow? Yeah.
Oh yeah, keep it. I'll throw it back in there.
Pike minnow. What the hell?
That's awesome. I got my fucking
We don't want these guys.
We don't want them, but don't throw back in.
Yeah. Dang. Look at this. Northern pike minnow. Or also known as squawfish. To the natives, these are squawfish. What's it doing going after my bass lure?
So in '99, it changed from squawfish to northern pike minnow because squaw was a slur name for Native American women.
Oh, are you hooked? Oh, there you go. Got him on this.
You said not keep it?
No, we don't keep them because they eat the salmon smolts. So I mean, we are gonna keep it, but yeah, we're not gonna put them back. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, I don't think I have a stringer though, but he's definitely not gonna go back, unfortunately.
Growing up, everybody called them squawfish, but it wasn't until after this video that I got curious of why they changed the name from squaw to northern pike minnow.
There you go. They're invasive species. If you go out to the Columbia River, they actually have a bounty on them. Or tagged ones are like $500. I think everything else is $9 or $10. It varies. The more you catch, the higher the payout. Out here fishing with my brother Ruben, my brother Alex over there. See if we can get some bass. That's pretty cool. I think that was maybe the second or third pike minnow I catch. I mean, I never fish for them, so it's interesting that I went after my tube. Just be cautious of listening to, if you guys hear a rattle.
I'll shoot the motherfucker.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying, like, if you don't see it, and when you walk like that, make sure you look first, Ruben. Because that's where the rattlesnake thing out is, and shit. Good job. Good job. Oh, you're fine. I wipe stuff up on my pants. Oh, you got them all dirty.
I know.
Can I see them real quick? Oh yeah, it's a nice largemouth. Good shit. Largemouth. They're in here. I told you it's just gonna be. That was on the green one, right? So we got two species, largemouth and the pike minnow. Trying to stay above this clump of grass that's coming in hot. All right, another clump. Stay above the clump. This 1/4 ounce jig ain't nothing for this current. Look how fast it's taking my line. Oh, I thought I had a fish, but Big old thing of weeds. No! If I can save it. Haha! Yeah. I was wrapped around that steel wire.
Got it?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Let me get it this way.
Stay over there, Ruben.
Oh yeah.
Ain't no followers over there.
Hey, don't go in there, buddy. Don't go in there, buddy. Oh, my bad. Grab it. If you can. Come on. Just lip it.
I ain't trying to hook myself.
Lip it.
Oh man, you got him good. Look at that shit.
Did I?
Look where the hook's at over here, outside his mouth.
Oh, right there, yeah. I wasn't gonna let that bad bro go. There you go. Good job. Wanna take a picture of it? Yeah. Hell yeah. Second fish.
Damn. Get that on video.
What was
Get that
that?
on video.
What?
We've been taking a fish he didn't catch.
Nah, that's
Get it
cool.
on video.
That's fine. I was reeling slow. At first I thought it was weeds till I felt it hit twice.
Be careful on the next catch.
When you said I got him deep, I thought you meant like I got
Nah, you hooked him
pretty
good.
far in. No, I set the hook twice. I made sure I. Well, because you don't really have room right here to try to pick them up the bank, you know, unless you. I might slide down there. I'm trying to find out if there's a rattlesnake and all that debris or not. I'll take my chances losing the fish trying to pull it up and me walking down there. Oh, I can tell there's some carp or maybe catfish mixing up the water right here. There's like a change in the water color. Right here it's all murky. There's like a line where it's clear over here. Here it looks a little darker.
Probably that bass trying to people get stuck out here.
Yeah, that could be right. Could be right. There might be just the grass swaying back and forth. I don't know. I just know it's darker. You can see a whole line where it's darker. Take a coffee break real quick. Give her brother Ruben, who hasn't caught a fish, time to catch a fish. It's not all melted. Yeah, it's still good. Couple snags. I don't know, but it's a good size. Ah, don't wrap me up. Hey, Xavier, who has a net? You wanna come over here? Oh no, it's a bass.
Oh fuck, it is.
You want me to get it?
Yeah, someone walked down there. Yep. Come on, this is a 6-pound test.
Take the bag. Go.
Down this way. You should have just walked. Hey, watch your line, Ruben. You're gonna get it. Right there. Oh, you're good right there, Xavier.
Right there.
Just reach in there with the net.
Oh, that's a big boy.
Get it, Xavier. Grab the line with your hand. Grab your line. Yeah, it's the guide into the net. There you go.
Ooh, that's a big boy too.
Just walk up the little platform right here. The edge. Oh yeah, good shit, Xavier.
Is that on a rooster tail?
Yeah. Just walk up the edge right here. Alright, give me your hand. Alright. Hell yeah, good shit, Xavier. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
The chunky one.
¿O le tienes miedo? Hey.
Heck yeah.
It's how much it
Barely
weighs.
got him. Yeah, it's pretty chunky. Yeah. Hold my net. Hold the net with him.
Oh, he came off?
Yeah.
I don't want to fucking
Good
get
shit. Barely, Xavier. Okay, he came off when you netted him. Thank you.
I did?
Hell yeah. I'll give you $5.
I did. I already did
3.5.
that. 5. Hey,
Come on, Ruben.
a 3.5 pounder right there.
No, that's 2.2. That's 2.6.
Nah. It is fat, but it's small. It's probably like 1.7. Someone cast it there?
Goody. Goody stays casting and bullshit.
Oh yeah, see 1.9. Dang, that's pretty good.
1.9?
Yeah. He's just a chunky little guy.
Yeah, he is. Holy shit.
Being 1.9, that's good.
1.9.
No, it's pretty small.
The one I
He's
saw
heavy for being that small. That's probably what you meant to say.
They're right there for damn sure.
Yeah. Throw him back in. He's been out for quite a while.
But Dad, hold him. I don't know.
We'll catch another one. Or take a picture of him.
I said,
They're going to be on the banks.
no, I said al revés.
I see.
That's
That's
what.
what.
Let my
Yeah.
dad back in there.
That's what.
Hell yeah. On the rooster tail.
¿Y por qué lo echaron para atrás?
¿Para qué lo queremos? No lo vamos a poner.
Yeah, but I had to get the fish real quick.
I just hit or miss with his rooster tails. It's hard to avoid all the weeds.
See? Gotta avoid the weeds, period.
That's fun with this rod because it's a 6-pound line.
Oh, you didn't change it?
Nah, I just grabbed my other rod.
This is too big.
Yeah, you should have smaller ones.
Yeah, instead of fixing my other line, I just use my trout rod. Oh, got another one.
Damn. ¿Ya agarró otro chulín, mira?
Ah, that was definitely a pike minnow.
You ready?
I saw the belly. Yeah.
It's full. Yeah.
Dang it.
Well, let me see that green one I had back. Yo, you mixed it back with the other ones? Or
You might want to use a chatterbait on this side, Ruben. Is that what you're using?
them things right there, what?
Yeah, chatterbait will work on this side.
No.
Ah, see, every time I cast, I'm either casting into grass or a fish.
I was gonna use that one. Did you see what you do?
Why do you have a
Bead?
bead on?
So when my dad,
Oh, for your swivel?
yeah, when it goes too high up. It hasn't done me any bad luck.
Yeah.
The bead on it? Not yet, at least.
Oh, because you have a swivel on there?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
I have the swivel then for my leader line.
Since this is just my trout rod, I don't put a swivel on this one. Since I don't even do it for like braided line.
That's what I have on here. Huh? Really cut the grass on this side.
Yup. That's what I was saying. I was like, either I'm going to cast into the grass
You got one?
or I'm going to get a fish.
You know how to do it or no?
Which one?
Dang,
I got that same one on right now.
little pike minnow. Oh. Little pike minnow. Hold on, buddy. Little guy. Ah. Sorry, little buddy. Man, it's jumping like crazy. Ah! No. Yeah. No, I got my lure. That was definitely a bass.
That's bad.
Yeah.
You gotta freaking you gotta catch yourself from setting it.
No, I just need to use my better rod.
No, I'm talking about recording on your GoPro.
Oh, yeah. He cast it into the...
What is fucking terrible? God.
Hey, when you step on stuff like that, just make sure you guys look for the snakes.
All hard,
Because that's the one I caught earlier. You got more rooster tails if you guys want to use a rooster tail. I would just recommend using a spinner or a barrel swivel.
Can you go above you real quick?
I would just recommend using a barrel swivel. No. No, it's just the bottom, I think. Feel pretty fishy. That one was a nice sized bass. It was bigger than the other one.
The one that flew off?
Yeah, the one that jumped. It's because these hooks are small. It's anything that's... Unless I get like all three in pretty good. Yeah, it'll easily shake off these little treble hooks. Yeah, you see all those bubbles?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that's definitely catfish or a carp.